Okay, so there are some other things also which you can do and which you can experiment with, that these are called escape characters. So escape character means they provide you some inbuilt functionality which will be very helpful for you. Suppose you want to write a program in which you want to create an alarm, or you want to continuously say that your computer system say p p p p p p p like that. So you can use this slash a backslash a. Then you want to use backspace, then back this symbol, feed form, this symbol, new line which we are always already using, then we can use this symbol. Then you want to go to the next line, then you this percent this r carriage return. Then if you want to give space between two outputs of a tab, then this tab, then vertical tab, this one is backslash, this one is single quote if you want to print, double quote if you want to print, this is question mark if you want to print, octal number if you want to print, hexadecimal number if you want to print, and null value if you want to print. So these values you can use and see and experiment with according to your requirement. So if you see this program, here we have experimented with our escape sequences. So in first printf statement, I have written my mobile number. Okay, so my mobile number is 78, like that I have written, and I have in between written slash a slash a slash a. So if you write this program, it will give you some sound, okay, as according to the requirement. If you write hello somebody and then f, then backspace, it will just go to the backspace and then write, it will 4 times backspace. So body will be complete, means removed. First y b o dy will be removed and it will be printed. If you want to go to the new line, then hello, after that I have placed new line character, so it will Sachin will be printed in the new line, like that. And then if you want to create the tab between hello and prime minister, so you can see in the output that there is tab between hello and prime minister. So this way you can play with these values, and according to your requirement and format, you can format these values or your output display, that I want to display this in one column, in second column, like that you can do using these escape sequences.